How to add a page border in Microsoft Word. Hey, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to make your Word document look a bit more polished or just give it a creative edge, adding a page border is a really simple and effective way to do that. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to insert and customize a page border in Microsoft Word. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once it's open, look toward the top of the window and click on the Design tab. If you don't see it immediately, it should be near the right-hand side of the toolbar. Once you're in the Design tab, look to the far right again, and you'll find an option called Page Borders. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a new window called Borders and Shading. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you're in the Page Border tab. It's usually the third tab in that window. You'll see a section where you can choose between different border settings like Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. For most purposes, Box is a clean and simple choice, so let's go with that for now. Now comes the fun part, customizing your border. You'll see a section where you can change the style of the border. There are tons of line styles available. Solid lines, dashed lines, double lines, even triple lines. As you click on different styles, keep an eye on the preview box on the right. It updates in real time, so you'll see exactly what your border will look like before applying it. Want to add a bit of color? Click on the Color drop-down just below the Style options. You can pick from a wide range of colors to match the theme or tone of your document. Whether you want to keep it classic with black or go bold with red or blue, you've got plenty of choices. And if you're unsure, you can always stick with Automatic, which usually just keeps it neutral. Next, look at the Width option right next to Color. This controls how thick or thin the border lines are. Maybe you want a thin, subtle border, or maybe you want a thick, eye-catching one. Just select what looks best for your project. And if you're feeling a bit more playful or you're designing something more informal, there's even an art option. Click on the drop-down next to Art and you'll find decorative border styles, like stars, hearts, trees, or even little ice cream cones. These are especially fun for invitations, event flyers, or anything less formal. Before you finalize things, take a quick look at the Apply To section at the bottom. You can choose to apply the border to the whole document, the first page only, or even just a specific section if your document is broken into parts. In most cases, you'll probably want to select Whole Document so that the border appears consistently across all pages. Once you're happy with the style, color, thickness, and application, go ahead and click OK. And just like that, you've got a beautiful page border wrapped around your Word document. It's a small touch, but it can really make your document stand out and feel more complete. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or run into anything confusing, feel free to drop your question in the comments. I'll be happy to help out. And if this video helped you out, a thumbs up would mean a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more quick and easy tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.